So with leather, we always get the armrests and normally the seats, they begin to go yellow or brown. This is a build-up of grease and grime. That is basically from body sweat, kitchen smoke, car fumes. And this kind of oil, this grime, that needs to be removed properly with the degreaser. So this is why we degrease the sofas, basically to remove all the grime, and then the color naturally comes out back to white. Once we've removed all the grime, we wash it, rinse out all the chemical. We let it dry for a little and then we apply a conditioner. Conditioner replaces or replenishes the natural oils from the leather and it dries to leave a new protection coating, which we actually buff to a shine, restores the color. Even a yellow sofa, looks yellow the sofa, but we will actually bring it back to white. And yeah, that's the process. It normally takes 2 or 3 hours to dry, and you can use that as normal.